Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best scrub gloves is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any kitchen, transforming the mundane chore of dishwashing into a more efficient and hygienic experience. These aren't just any gloves, they're designed with specialized textures and durable materials to tackle stubborn grease and grime, protecting your hands from harsh detergents and hot water while ensuring every dish, pot, and pan comes out sparkling clean. Investing in a quality pair means saying goodbye to flimsy, leaky gloves and hello to a more comfortable, effective, and satisfying clean, making them a true game changer for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. Number 5. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush. Introducing a cleaning brush designed to make your chores easier. Its sturdy construction and pliable bristles are built to handle tough messes effectively. This tool features a narrow head, perfect for getting into tight spaces and corners. It effortlessly removes dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas. From windowsills and grout lines to sink corners and fridge gaskets, this brush is your go-to for various cleaning tasks. It's ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and even car interiors. Experience a comfortable grip with its non-slip handle. Made from quality plastic and alloy, it provides leverage and durability for intense cleaning jobs. Save space with the convenient hanging hole on the handle. This compact cleaning gadget is easy to store and allows for efficient drying after use. Simplify your cleaning routine and protect your hands. This brush offers a comprehensive cleaning effect, making your life easier and your home spotless. What we like. This brush is designed for tackling tough grime in tight spaces. Its hard bristles and narrow head make it perfect for grout lines, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. If you're looking for a tool to deep clean those stubborn spots and want to save your hands from harsh scrubbing, this is the one for you. What people say. These gloves are made of silicone and are very durable. The silicone material makes them easy to clean and they dry quickly. The textured grip on the palms and fingers provides excellent traction, even when handling wet or greasy dishes. Number 4. Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Gloves. Tired of harsh chemicals and rough scrubbing? Introducing our new reusable dishwashing gloves, designed for your comfort and protection. These gloves are made with your sensitive skin in mind. They are completely latex-free, ensuring a comfortable and safe cleaning experience. Experience the difference with our soft cotton lining. It provides extra comfort and breathability, keeping your hands dry and cozy. Say goodbye to flimsy gloves. Ours are built to last, offering excellent durability for all your kitchen tasks. Simply rinse and reuse. Get more value with 2 pairs in stylish purple and blue. Keep one handy in the kitchen and have a spare ready to go. Designed for a perfect fit, these medium-sized gloves offer excellent dexterity and grip. Tackle any cleaning job with confidence. What we like. Experience comfortable and safe dishwashing with these reusable gloves. The latex-free material is great for those with sensitivities, and the cotton lining ensures a soft feel. If you need durable, everyday gloves for kitchen tasks and want to avoid latex, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These gloves are made of durable silicone and are heat-resistant, making them perfect for washing dishes and handling hot pots. The textured grip on these gloves ensures a secure hold on slippery dishes, preventing accidents in the kitchen. The long cuffs on these gloves provide extra protection for your forearms, keeping them dry and safe from splashes. Number 3. Inspire Black Nitrile Gloves. Experience unparalleled durability with our heavy-duty nitrile gloves. Designed for demanding tasks, they offer superior protection. These gloves provide excellent resistance against a wide range of chemicals. Feel confident tackling any job, knowing you're shielded. Perfect for medical, cooking, or cleaning applications. Their robust design ensures reliable performance across various environments. Enjoy a snug and comfortable fit that allows for maximum dexterity. They stay securely in place, even during intensive use. When the job is done, simply dispose of them for easy cleanup. They offer a hygienic and convenient solution for everyday needs. Crafted from premium black nitrile, these gloves offer a professional look and feel. They are built to withstand tough conditions. What we like. For serious cleaning and protection, these heavy-duty nitrile gloves are the way to go. Their 6 mm thickness and chemical resistance offer superior durability and safety for tough jobs. If you're dealing with chemicals, grease, or need robust protection for extended cleaning, these disposable gloves are ideal. What people say. The gloves are made of a durable silicone material that holds up well to repeated use. The textured grip on the palms and fingers provides excellent traction, making it easy to hold slippery dishes. These gloves are surprisingly comfortable and flexible, allowing for a full range of motion while washing dishes. Number 2. Rubber Household Cleaning Gloves, Blue. Introducing our durable rubber household gloves, designed for everyday cleaning tasks. Keep your hands protected and comfortable. These gloves feature a soft cotton lining for added comfort during extended use. Say goodbye to sweaty hands while you clean. Perfect for dishwashing and other kitchen chores. They provide a reliable barrier against water and cleaning agents. The waterproof design ensures your hands stay dry and protected from harsh cleaning chemicals. Tackle any mess with confidence. Available in a vibrant blue color, these gloves add a touch of style to your cleaning routine. Practicality meets aesthetics. Get a convenient pack of 2 pairs, ensuring you always have a clean pair ready. Great value for your household needs. What we like. These classic rubber household gloves offer reliable protection for your hands during dishwashing and general cleaning. The cotton lining provides comfort, and their durable construction ensures they can handle daily chores. If you prefer a traditional, comfortable, and effective glove for everyday kitchen and household tasks, these are a solid pick. What people say. These gloves are made of durable silicone and are heat-resistant, making them safe to use with hot water. The textured surface provides excellent grip, even when handling slippery dishes. They are easy to clean and dry quickly, which prevents odor buildup. Number 1. Exfoliating Glove, 4 PCS, 2 pairs. Experience a deeper clean with our exfoliating gloves. They are designed to effectively remove dead skin cells for a smoother feel. These gloves provide a powerful body scrub, revealing your skin's natural radiance. Achieve a soft and revitalized complexion with every use. Our heavy shower gloves offer a thorough exfoliation without irritation. They are perfect for achieving smooth, healthy-looking skin. Incorporate these into your daily shower for an invigorating scrub. They help to slough away dead skin, leaving your body feeling refreshed. Get a great value with this pack, containing 4 exfoliating gloves. You'll have plenty for regular use and to keep your skin looking its best. What we like. Achieve smoother skin with these exfoliating gloves. Designed for body scrubbing, they effectively remove dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling refreshed. If you're looking to enhance your shower routine with a tool that provides a deep cleanse and gentle exfoliation, these are perfect for you. What people say. The gloves are made of durable silicone, which makes them resistant to tearing and punctures. The textured grip on the palms and fingers provides excellent traction, even when handling wet or greasy dishes. The integrated sponge design allows for easy scrubbing and cleaning, eliminating the need for separate sponges. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.